Honeybee Rescue Team. So, we got some fun ones today. As you can see, we're doing bees in the rain. Bees are going underneath this dryer vent here. And so, we're gonna get them out. There's a brand new swarm that just had settled in. And so, they're in the corner of this room. We're gonna get them out. So, we'll keep y'all posted and bring them back to the farm. Another one for the Honeybee Rescue Team. Thanks for saving the bees. Hope you have a great day. Aloha. Team. So, as you can hear in the background, it is raining. We're in this house in Kahalu, and we got some bees. So, here's where they're at. Got some nice heat signature building up there. So, we're gonna go mark it out and then say hello to our friends, the bees. There we go. Beautiful. Ooh, wow, bird nest up here. That's wild. Alright. Let's get the rest of this off here. Seems like we're large on a screw. Oh, there it is. Yeehaw. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Plenty of this bird nest though. Goodness gracious. Alright. We're in business. Let's put these guys over here real fast. Let's go say hi to our bees. Hi bees. Wow, that's a lot of you. Keeping you all posted. And it looks like the bird's nest actually came from this pipe here. This whole dryer pipe is all rotted through. Yeah, crazy. Huh. Oh, perfect. A nice little stick, hopefully. Will it or will it not? Let's see here. There we go. Give it a good tap. We got some bees left over. We're gonna vacuum them up, use our all natural honeybee repellent, Honeybee Gone, to flush the rest of them out from the back of there, force them that way. Once we're done with that, we'll close off the main entrance where that pipe is with fire insulation spray foam, and we should be good to go. 98% of the bees should be back today because it is pouring rain outside. Nobody would be flying, everybody's home. So let's get on into this and vacuum these girls up and start closing up everything. Alright, cool. Alright, let's close it up. Wow, this is totally fire hazard. Still going. I need to wash my hands after this, good lord. Wash my hands. Let's get this out of here. And I'll have to find something to stuff into the front of it, but as far as the inside, that is going to be on the homeowner to fix that. So, crazy. Right, so we're finished up here. All the bees are in the bee vac, and whatever 2% that's going to be left over here today, they'll try to find their way in, but you'll notice we put screen up there so they can't get back in, which is good. We'll end up trying to find another beehive somewhere far away from here, probably in the big bushes of Kahalu. So we'll keep y'all posted. Now that's the Honeybee Rescue team. Thank you guys for saving the bees. So it's a little chaotic out there, but we got all the bees bumped into that box. So we'll come back tomorrow, check on them and see how they're doing, and keep y'all posted. Now that's for the Honeybee Rescue team. Thanks for saving the bees. Hope you have a great day. Aloha.